Welcome to Tesla's Super Destinations,
where we review Tesla's charging infrastructure and get to know the cool people there.
Today we're long charging indoors at the unlisted Town Center Mall destination chargers in Santa Maria, California.
Let's get charged up.
Hello, this is Blue Leader, and we're here in Santa Maria, California, where they have 12 indoor destination chargers. Now we're going to see, are these unlisted or not? I'll put it over there somewhere if they're unlisted. So bonus for you, these are indoor here near the Santa Maria Mall. So thank you so much for hanging out with us on our road trip. Make sure you hit the like button. There's a subscribe button if you want to make sure you get your notifications. And if you know anyone that wants to hang out with us on our journey, make sure you share this content with them. So here are my initial impressions, initial thoughts. First thought, I'm indoors, it feels cool, I'm out of the sun. Yay, hooray. Initial feelings, I have a feeling that if I'm rolling with the big Tesla posse of 12, I can hang out here, destination charge, and grab some eats inside the mall, the old school indoor mall. Now, initial concerns, I don't have any concerns whatsoever. There seems to be a lot of amenities here if you want to stock up, grab something to eat, or take a big stretch break. So thank you so much, and hang on for the review. Let's hear what our guest Peter has to say about the area. What can they expect? What is there for them to do? Any places to eat? What do you recommend?
Well, this is next to a mall. I would say just explore a little bit. I would say the food court's really nice. For a few Santa Maria locals. Yeah.
What are some selling points besides the food court in the mall?
Gyms or stuff for family to go to for their kids, like trampolines and baseball. Yeah.
Excellent. Now, if there were no Tesla chargers here at the mall, would you still come to the mall?
No, I would not. Yeah.
Any reasons that you haven't elaborated on yet?
I wouldn't come here a lot, but there is I guess there is one store. It is the game store inside the mall where they do have events going on from time to time. So I do love to support the local game stores. People going to do Dungeons and Dragons and.
Speaking of new things, it looks like you've got a big toe behind your Tesla Model Y. Can you tell us about that?
With the toe, I feel like it takes about 2.5 miles more for every mile that I drive. It would be nice if Tesla could make more charging stations driving the trailers, so they have a 2-lane pull-up. It would be nice.
A full star for chargers, 12 unlisted at an unknown KV 24/7. Half a star for bathrooms about 1,000 feet away inside the mall near the food court on the first floor. A full star for safety, well-lit indoor parking. Half a star for food and beverage. You've got your basic mall food. Half a star for cool factor. This is your basic indoor parking for an indoor mall stop. The unlisted Town Center Mall destination chargers in Santa Maria, California gets a 3.5 TSD rating. Non-rated noteworthy mentions: a mile from the 101 freeway, Main Street 166 West exit. There's 20 adjacent indoor superchargers. Let's give our guest Peter the final word. What is the coolest thing someone has ever done for you?
The coolest thing is when people tell me about their experiences and I learn from them. Just keeping an open mind.
All right, now who do you admire the most, Peter?
Yeah, I admire dancers. I also admire Elon Musk. If you're looking forward into the future, that person's always going to be controversial, right? Because, there's a lot of pushback and people don't like change. And I feel like it's important that we move forward and we accept change for what it is.
All right. Do you have any final words of wisdom for the people out there?
I would say just keep an open mind. We do have to push forward to electric, it always starts somewhere, right? It's kind of like airplanes or cell phones become a long way. So it's same with battery too. Batteries are going to get more environmental friendly.
All right, thank you so much, Peter. We'll see you later, okay?
Thank you.
Congrats! You made it to the end. Comment your electric thoughts and share with your circle of trust.
Thanks for letting us supercharge your Tesla destination.
See you at our next super destination.
What makes you laugh?
Oh, memes, just a little bit of dirty humor or like inappropriate stuff from time to time will be very funny.